Interviewer: what is the testing methodology you are following for the software application? Candidate: there are several testing methodologies that software developers and testers use to ensure that their applications are reliable and perform well. Some of the most popular methodologies are Waterfall Model, Agile Model, Scrum Model, Test-Driven Development, TDD, and Behavior-Driven Development, BDD. Interviewer: can you explain Waterfall Model and the phases involved in the Waterfall Model? Candidate: sure. This methodology follows a sequential approach, where each phase of the development cycle must be completed before the next phase can begin. It is commonly used in large-scale projects with well-defined requirements and stable design. The phases in the waterfall model are requirements gathering, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Interviewer: can you explain the Agile model and how it differs from traditional software development approaches? Candidate: the Agile model is an iterative and incremental approach to software development that focuses on delivering working software frequently and efficiently, while allowing for continuous feedback and adaptation to changing requirements. It differs from traditional software development approaches in that it is more flexible, adaptive, and customer-oriented. Interviewer: can you explain the Scrum model and how it differs from other Agile frameworks? Candidate: the Scrum model is an Agile framework that emphasizes collaboration, self-organization, and iterative delivery of working software. It differs from other Agile frameworks in that it has a set of roles, events, and artifacts that provide structure and guidance for the team. Interviewer: can you explain test-driven development, TDD, and why it is useful in software development? Candidate: test-driven development, TDD, is a software development approach where developers write automated tests before writing the actual code. TDD is useful because it ensures that the code is reliable, efficient, and meets the requirements. TDD also helps developers catch bugs early in the development cycle and makes the code more maintainable. Interviewer: can you explain behavior-driven development, BDD, and how it differs from test-driven development, TDD? Candidate: behavior-driven development, BDD, is a software development approach that focuses on the behavior of the software rather than its implementation. BDD uses plain language, called Gherkin syntax, to define the expected behavior of the software. BDD differs from test-driven development, TDD, in that it is more focused on the behavior of the software rather than the specific functionality. Interviewer: can you explain the DevOps testing model and its benefits? Candidate: the DevOps testing model emphasizes collaboration and integration between development and operations teams. The benefits of this approach include faster delivery of high-quality software, improved communication and collaboration between teams, and continuous improvement through feedback and monitoring.